Hey yo, what's good, SYG? It's your motherfucking boy Killa Casino in the motherfucking building, my nigga.
Came back from the motherfucking studio just to drop that motherfucking 32 bar Thursday for Charlie and all the mother niggas down at SYG. I see
all my niggas down there.
Black on black ENT. We finna go ahead and get to it, my nigga. Hold on. I'm gonna pick the camera up for this one, my nigga.
Cause there was a lot of motherfucking niggas talking reckless, you know what I'm saying? Talking about can't be some nigga else in the motherfucking freestyle. I'm gonna show y'all niggas what I got. So hold on.
Alright.
Look, I'm on
my grind.
Nigga,
I can't wait.
Money
be on my mind,
like my wallet
on my face.
And
looking up,
it's such a
good feeling.
I got
rubber bands
to
the ceiling.
And my
niggas ballin'.
This ain't
new to them.
We putting
keys in the
dough like we
moving in. So what you put
pussy niggas
think on?
We on the throne,
y'all just
halfway deep.
Son.
Can't keep up
with the kind
of shit we
on.
The mics
been wrecked,
nigga throw some D's
on. Because you niggas is
some pee on.
No mustard can't catch up or you'll get peed on.
You upside down prisoner has to pee. Oh, pee. Oh. Oh no. Try to keep your mouth closed. Oh no, in the nose. Hey, I'm peeing on my face too. On the inside.
Because this
rap scene
we run
and say you wanna
rob us,
but that will
be done.
That kind
of shit can't
be done.
Say my
nigga, I'ma
tell these boys
where I'm from.
I'm from the south, home of the
gold grills.
Before we leave
the crib,
everybody low,
still
point blank,
range pointed
at your gold
grill
in broad day.
Like
you walk with hoes. I never heard
of him.
He is a mystery. Playing with my
paper, now these niggas
history. I try to
tell him not to
mention me, or
I'll come and split
that nigga wig
like Mr.
T.
Money over
everything, cash
over all.
By any
means necessary,
I
will ball.
And don't
try to jack,
bitch, don't.
Be a dummy, gotta leave the booth, gotta go and get some money, because I'm so far ahead.
Catch me somewhere, don't stick in my brain, with a bird's eye view looking out
for the feds.
And then all of a sudden the laws come to the door. They knock, he open. They come in, I hear the police everywhere. They 2-3 police in his apartment. What's going on, sir? He tell them, hey, I'm a blogger. I'm covering a murder story. Somebody's watching me. I think they looking through my window, but they told me everything I was doing. At the same time as he's saying this, the dude starts sending me pictures, whoever this dude is. I get the pictures and I pull them up, and it's Ratchet with no hat on, in front of his computer, eating a bag of chips or sitting there. I mean, the nigga was looking goofy in him. It was just a picture of him, whatever. So I'm like, Ratchet, I'm on the phone, I'm looking, I said, Ratchet, while I'm trying to tell him this.
The police is talking to him. The police say, hey man, are you sure you didn't leave your damn webcam on?
He said, hold on. He go check, he said, oh man, I'm telling him, like, bro, they sending you backstage pictures. You left your webcam on, fam, after the live. He was backstage watching you. You got comfortable at home and took your hat off, started eating noodles, and he was looking at you, fam. The
police pissed the fuck off. Them white boys was back there so mad. I could hear them. They was like, we gotta take your ass to jail for that marijuana, man. They was thinking about locking Ratchet up for the weed he had on the table. They were so pissed off. That nigga called the police on his webcam, y'all. This nigga Ratchet called the police on his webcam.
For the feds.
What's up? I'm Rocket and I like to welcome you to the Hood On